Yeah, I can take that one. Is he hooked up or is he a... Those are sardines. We gotta go say what's up to that guy. All right, we're out here again at the favorite spot. Got my first mate Dan today, and we're gonna do the same dance we always do, pretty much. First things first, get some live bait. They're hooking up right over there. Let's see if we can get some as well. Alrighty, we got 2 sardines for our efforts. I will rig one up right now. So we're going through the nose. Yeah, you can leave that right there. I'll lift it out in a sec. And then one in the butt and hope that stays in there. And then take out any of the slack. And then that is going straight down. Nice. And that one will be mine. And then that one, throw a much heavier weight on. So just that right there. Yeah, so just put the loop through the eyelet and then around the whole thing. There you go. And then you're getting the big boy.
All right, buddy. Go and do me some work.
All right, you can just drop that. And then that's all you. All right, so we got heavyweight, lightweight, drifting pretty fast offshore, but we're fishing. Still looking for bait. This one might have gotten grabbed. Oh yeah, yep. I think so.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Woo! Ooh, uh-oh. This might be a shark. Yeah.
I'll get that one up real quick.
You can keep, I think this is a shark. You can keep that one down. Let me give you a confirmation, because if this one can come up, the sabiki. If this is a shark, I'll want you to reel the other bait rod up too. It's fighting really weird.
Dare I say
it? No, it's definitely not that. Because now it's just dead weight, like a halibut. But the head shakes, they felt rather abrasive. Yeah, like this head shaking is wrong. It's not. Can you grab the gaff just in case? See, like this right here, just pulling up weight like this.
It's halibut-like.
It is halibut-like. It's the head shakes that. No, that's not. Wait, is it? Oh, it might be a really big halibut. I think it's. Oh, it's a really big halibut.
That is a big halibut.
Oh
Yeah,
boy.
nice, dude.
Oh, I barely got him. Yep. I barely gaffed him.
Woo! Yeah, buddy.
Oh my god. Here, let me hand you that.
Yep. Nice, dude. Sick
Oh
one.
man, that's a sick one.
Yep.
That's what they do. Oh man, I am gonna be a mess now. Okay, I need the bat. You see the billy club? Yeah. It's right under the dry bag, my dry bag. Yeah. Okay. This, take that over there. Mark this spot. Woo! Oh man, that was a monster. Okay, now I can use this. Thanks. Here, gonna give that. That might be 40 club.
Yeah.
It's close.
Yeah.
Oh god, look at my pants. Damn, he's bleeding something fierce. Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Well, dude. Fucking sick one.
That's a beast. Alright, well that was chaos. I was recording, which is sick.
One in the boat. Is it even 8 a.m. yet?
Just about. Alright, we're gonna get some dimensions on this guy, because this is a beast. Okay. Board is 36. Make sure to keep a handle on this guy. And he is off the board. Plus, I think my 39 was pretty damn close.
Yeah.
Check that out. 36 plus 2.5, 3. It's like the twin of the one I caught last weekend. Wow, it's heavy. Oh shit. There we go. And then hold on, let me get in there. I want to get some ice on top of them. Okay. You can close them up. All right, awesome start to the morning. Let's see if we can do that again. Okay, the weather's calmed down for us. We got our first 2 mackerel. Very welcome sight because we haven't caught any bait fish in the last, I don't know, at least an hour. So getting 2 of these guys is a big boost. We still have 1 sardine down, but that only lasts so long. It's already pretty tired. All right, we'll get this guy down there. Keep fishing. Oh yeah, you got him. Hell yeah. All right, let's start getting organized. Whoa.
Okay.
All right, we're hooked up on something big here. Let me get some space. Okay. That looks like a halibut too.
Feels like one.
I can feel him on the see him on the finder. Okay, I'm gonna get this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You see him yet? Yeah, good call.
Oh, it's a big one, dude.
What is that?
It's a shark.
Okay, holy shit. Dude, if that was a halibut, I was like, that is the biggest thing I've ever seen in my life.
I know, at first I was like,
holy crap.
halibut is big.
If that was a halibut, that's like a 70 incher. All right. I've actually never seen one that big. God. Look at that. Well, I don't think that hook's coming out.
No?
Oh, heads up.
Okay, buddy.
Well, we're on our last big attempt of the day. Trying to get some smelt and some mackerel to work in place of sardines, which we haven't been able to find since the 2 this morning. So, we'll see what we can do. We've been bested by the monsters today. Caught something like a 6-foot long shark of some kind, unidentified, that took my lunch money. And then Dan got a shovel nose that'll be all over this video probably. That was enormous. And then the halibut in the first hour this morning. We're gonna see if we can get one more before we have to go in.
We got dolphin, we got birds, we got bait.
Yep. Also just spectacular out right now. Yeah, you got something. Oh, you gotta tighten the drag. Yeah, there you go.
There it is.
Yeah, keep tightening it. How's it feel?
Feels like a halibut.
Really?
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Alright.
Try and keep it over this way if you can. It does look like it's fighting like one.
Feels like one.
Yep. Whoa, it's not small. Try and, that's good. Yeah, just bring him up a little bit. Oh, I got him good with the gaff this time. You!
Yeah, buddy.
Atta boy.
Wow.
Out of nowhere. On the Mac. Let's go.
Mad Max. Is that 2 on the Mad Max?
First one was a sardine.
Huh?
Yeah.
Wow, 2 good size ones.
Fucking huge ones. Yeah, help me out there. Thanks. I think you clasp that.
Yep. Oh.
Phew! Yes. That was awesome. Super
Another
sick one. All right, let's get this hook out of him. Thank you. All right.
All right.
Let's get that guy bled. And then we'll want to get him in the box pretty soon here. With all these sea lions around. It's another real nice fish.